Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. We're gonna talk about 4 things that you need in your business right now. Let's go. All right, number 1 is right over here. Follow this arrow, follow this arrow, follow. I'm gonna show you the number 1 thing you need in your business. It's right here, motivation, okay? You need motivation. My wife had no idea I was gonna put her on YouTube, but here she is with our brand new baby. Guys, you need motivation. You need a why. You need a reason why you're doing this, because anything worthwhile or worth doing is gonna be challenging, hard, and you're gonna feel demoralized and you're gonna be beat up all the time. So you're gonna need to have a why. My why is my family, obviously, okay? There's nothing new about that. Everybody's why should be their family, their dog, their lover, their whatever. You have to have a why, okay? Some of you guys, your why right now is Netflix and video games, and that's perfectly cool, but not gonna keep you motivated to make more money. The second thing you need in your business is an actual effing business. So you need to go to Prime. This is who does all of my shit. PrimeCorporateServices.com, and I don't know the code. I think it's 0 to hero, I think it's Pace, whatever it is. The link will be down below. Regardless, just let them know that Pace sent you, and they'll get you guys hooked up. This is who sets up all of my LLCs. And if you're one of these knuckleheads like I was that wants to set up their LLCs themselves, you are not getting anonymity, protection, and the perfect structure in the right state at the right time. Is it an S Corp, a C Corp? I don't know. It doesn't matter. Go to PrimeCorporateServices.com, tell them Pace sent you, book a call with them. They'll give you 45 minutes for free to talk about them. They're unbelievably lovely people. You need a business. If you're trying to get into business and you're treating this like a hobby, you don't have an LLC and a company name, and you don't have a bank account, if you and I do a deal together right now, where am I gonna send you a check? Am I gonna send you a check to your personal name? What are we, freaking children? Get an actual business. PrimeCorporateServices.com, tell them Pace and their team sent you. That's the first thing you need physically. You need a real business, an LLC and a bank account. We use Chase, okay? So the bank that we use for all of our banking purposes is Chase. I don't have a coupon code for you. I don't have anything there. I just like Chase. Their technology is good. They're in all 50 states. And so if I'm traveling and I need to pull out cash, super easy. If I need to sign something and I'm out of state, super easy. The third thing you need in your business is you need a lead source. So many people are like, I need to get into this business. Guys, you can't get into this business by looking at Zillow and Redfin at properties that are listed. I'm sorry, there are a few people that do that. Doesn't work like you think it should. Where I would suggest getting leads is if you know creative finance, you can use what we call the PACE method. Okay, the PACE method is revitalizing dead wholesaler leads and purchasing them. A couple of videos ago, I talked about how you can work deals with me and my team. And in that video, you saw like 8 or 9 active deals that were going on. Guys, those were dead leads that people couldn't close. I closed them, okay? That's a lead source. Let somebody else generate the lead. You can use creative finance to make those leads work. So dead leads is a great way to do that. The way we do that is the PACE method. I teach that on Subto.com. Now, if you don't go to Subto.com, I would go and look in the description down below, because we have 0 to Hero, season 1, season 2, and season 3. These are all 3 different ways to generate leads. And we're gonna continue to compound more and more seasons as we go, because we love teaching guys exactly how to do this. So you need a why. You need a company name and a company bank account. You need a lead source. Whether it's a paid lead source or a not paid lead source, you need that. The 4th thing you need, this is freaking humongous. You need a community. And I'm gonna tell you why you need a community, because so many people struggle to get into this business because they don't have a campfire. They don't have other people to get around and huddle with and network with. The greatest community on planet Earth regarding real estate, Subto.com, okay? Outside of that, that's a paid community. A non-paid community is Facebook.com/groups/creative finance with Pace Morby. So join the fastest growing community in real estate called Creative Finance with Pace Morby. That community, you're gonna find private lenders. You're gonna find hard money lenders. You're gonna find people selling you deals. You're gonna find acquisition people. You're gonna find transaction coordinators, title companies. You're gonna find people you'll end up partnering with. In fact, I've done so many deals in this free Facebook group, it's crazy. So go in here, link in with people, get all 4 of these things, and that is how you get started in this business. And those are the 4 things you need in your business right now.